In this video, I will show you how you can redeem an Apple gift card on any iPad. Now, to do that, first of all, just buy an Apple gift card. Now, after you open the packaging, you will find a card. On one side of the card, you will find an alphanumeric code. Now, after you find the code on the gift card, now to redeem it, just open the App Store, then tap on your profile icon over here. From this pop-up menu, just select Redeem Code. Now you can either use the camera of your iPad to scan the card, and by doing that you will be able to redeem the Apple gift card, or you can enter the code manually. To do that, just tap on enter code manually, and from here just enter the alphanumeric code manually like that. After you do that, then just tap on redeem. Now it will ask you to enter the password of your Apple ID to do so. Now after you enter the password of your Apple ID, then just tap on done, and by doing that you will redeem the Apple gift card. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.